dog 220, you say get out of that potato chip, man. Why you have potato chip monkey and from time to time, man? Hey, 220, we don't know where in the world the king went, so we sitting there talking to our radio today. Hey, 220, and that good sounding Mobile. Hello, potato chip Mike, one more time. Road dog, Tennessee, back out. Hey, you are.
Oh, I didn't go anywhere far, man. Hey, Road Dog, I didn't go anywhere far, man. I just had to get the video gate rolling, man. I ain't in the Mobile. I'm sitting over here watching, running this kind of big video gate to see if you can do some ass whooping on kind of big and crack shot and Dixie there break. Shoot, I think my... Hey, Crackshot jumped up in there and said, well, he ain't gonna get it done. Hey, Road Dog, Crackshot jumped in there and said he ain't gonna get it done. Is that right?
I ain't scared. Hey, Johnny, may be right today, man. I got a bet if you know how much mention we're keeping down the town, so that may be the way it is right now, but it won't be that way long. Hey, John Denver, right now it may be that way, but it won't be that way long. Hey, John, you're a little dog, man. This station, 27, they call me the breeze. I'm standing by. We heard something.
Holy moly. You know what happened that time, man? Kind of being Crackshot coming in there and said, I ain't scared. But then old Road Dog jumped in there, man, and said something. He said, shit, whew, boy, you guys are getting in there, man. Hey, Road Dog, you really need to pump it up and get on that kind of big crack shot so I can hear what you're saying. And, hey, Crack Shot, you got to give it all you got, man. Because Lord knows I didn't hear what you said neither. But I'm going to try and listen. I'm going to put my ear up to the speaker. Hello to you, Crack Shot and Dixie. Hello to you, Road Dog. Old John Denver's reading the mail.
John Denver, I'm going to go first. Hey, John, I can't we get it up. We're doing what we will for the nation. Hey, John, here we go. John Denver, hey, John, we got this thing pumped up. Trying to get it back, come on. We're going to get our name called Game Watch. Well, I ain't using that driver. That driver gone. I don't know something better. John Denver, the Crack Shot, been there and gone. It's your Road Dog working his balls right around my town of Tennessee. Hey, John Denver, your dog is more dog. What you think about that? You got that right. That come kept my radio. Hey, John, is it a little better out there? John, is it really better on that doggone end? You tell me. Hey, John Denver, I'm trying to get it back, trying to get it back, trying to get it back. John Denver, your Road Dog, me in Tennessee, break, break, break. That'd be alright. That'd be alright. He can't fall around like that. Hey, John, I'm going to have a little bit of airtime, man. It keeps it real just like that. Hey, John, it ain't no fun when the rabbit's got the gun. Your Road Dog, me in Tennessee, back out. Get here on your Road Dog. I ain't gonna run, doggone it. I just think I watch my radio like a TV. Dog, Hey, John Denver, I think I have my road right of position right about now, but I'm looking down around San Diego. Hey, John Denver, road dog with the hammer down. Come on back. Hey, John, that's a good thing for him to do, no doubt about it. Hey, John Denver, that would be a good thing for him to do today. Just sit back on the Sunday and listen to the
What he should do is go over there and be kind of picking mowing your lawn, man. Hey, Road Dog, what he should be doing is going over to your house and mowing your duck plugging lawn instead of watching CV like a TV, man. He should be over at your place mowing your lawn there, 410.
The yard's wet, the grass is wet. I ain't gonna mow no kind of big lawn. I ain't mowing his lawn. Ain't kind of big need to come and mow mine. John Denver, the crack shot said bye, blah, blah, blah. Play the day off, no doubt about it. John Denver, your road dog rocket his mail. Come on.
Can't run, John, that crack shot. You said you ain't mowing nobody's lawn, man. Hey, crack shot. You said you ain't mowing nobody's lawn when you get off the hammer. Old Road Dog popped in there like Jack in the Box.
Just go to our way, 4 fingers in the thumb right quick, my friend. How'd you out there? How'd you out there talking to the dog?
Man, it's a rough one that time around there, Road Dog and old crack shot. Now I got my friend old Doorknob up in there, man. But you said I think crack shot and Dixie said and he back out. You said you ain't doing no kind of picking, mowing no lawns today. Old John Denver's a rocking this mail.
Got there, no mowing grass today. It's Sunday. I'm just going to drop this little round hammer on somebody's head. No doubt about that. Take care of my friend, Mr. John Denver. I ain't mowing no road dog lawn. The crack shot said bye, blah, blah, blah. I put the game light on and let the van do what it will. Hey, John Denver, if you got a small copy, your friend in 10. Dog, road dog, rocking his mail.
Can't raj on that there, crack shot. Can't raj on that, Road Dog. Crack shot said I ain't mowing no road dog lawn today. So, hey, Road Dog, that crack shot and Dixie said he ain't mowing no goddamn road dog lawn. He said it's too wet and it's way too muddy over there. 410.
Those pigs. Hey, 410, Roger, right on that, man. Well, I'll put slow keying on that doggone in there. I'll be fast keying. Let them mud ducks do what they can do right about now. Let them try to get up on my back. Hey, John Denver, let them do it. Try to get you right about now. John Denver, your road dog working his thing. Let's ride. Put them to work. Game more than reading the mail.
Well, you got a lot of people trying to get up on you right now, Road Dog. Even game warden out there around the pile trying to get up on you. But you said tell them to get up on some of this. Hey, Road Dog, you said tell old crack shot and Dixie to get up on some of this. Well, for a while there, man, you was talking when you were talking to me. You'll hear it on this gate. No doubt about it. Worldwide, John Denver's reading this mail with the video gate rolling. Come on.
It's probably pretty hard to do right there. Let me get out of the way. Just one. Game more than the crack shot gonna do this thing. Take care, John Denver, the crack shot. road back out of here. Clear out there. But right now, oh. Hey, doggone body, man. You don't let me out over here. Hey, I'm going to look into much more further because I'm on purpose to back when I told the dog also. Hey, John, that's all right. I'll get back when I can. Bum, bum, bum. Then you will check in on that. I'm trying to get up to talk to you, man. I'm trying to ease on down the hallway, but I will get back. Hey, later, back out here. So them boys are way too long-winded, John Denver, to crack shot his guy. They can't do nothing with him. You sound good when you get back. Hey, John, I'll get back there in a minute. Hey, John, I'll get back there again in a minute. I'm standing by. Hey, back there, right back, KT20, if you out there, man, with your ears on, John Demonstrated, bring him a doggone Foster's cold beer when you get there, don't doubt about it. Hey, 220 in that Mobile, John Demonstrated, bring him a Foster's beer for the King of California, road dog, with the nickel back out. We got a cop down for the party of pounds. Hey, Cousin Jack, if you out there, man, on this, we got the condition. Yeah, 10 Roger, right on 220. Well, I drove on 5 for John Denver. He wanted you to bring him the doggone Foster's cold beer, man, when you got there. And hey, John, he said he'd be about an hour a doggone way, no doubt about it. Hey, 220, hey, John Denver, road dog, back quiet. 1735. You liable to have a cotton mouth time that cotton beer gets there, John Denver. Well, 735 East Texas says you're getting out. Hey, 220, just go ahead and stop at the closest store, man. It don't matter if it's hot. Look up that book of beer like a hot beer there, no doubt. Oh, blame you. Hey, John, I don't blame you. I wouldn't want no Foster beer either. John Denver, the crack shot back in these bushes, Bubba. And there, man, things at the beginning to get a little bit rough and tough around Tennessee, so I'm going to take my pause for the cause like I said I was going to do. I'll go for whole foot back on my radio as well. Hey, John Denver, hey, 220, hey, Mike, your road dog, 10 silver. I'll be bumping. There's just too cotton taking too much nonsense. So we enjoyed it on 10-7. Hold on 17 for a little while yesterday, you know what I mean? Just kind of bumping around the band. Sure did. Hey, John, I'll get back when I can. See you then. All right, we'll see you then. I heard you also there, Crack Shot. You said you're going 10-7 too. Hey, Crack Shot, I heard you too. You said you're going 10-7. I got the kids inside watching that new show, Battleship, man. It's hot out here, man. So I'm hot.
going back in, and maybe I'll turn the air conditioner on. Take care of the crack shot, road dog, all the good time gang, everybody else who can hear the king. John Denver, your king of California's gone.
Catch you later, John Denver. Enjoyed it, my friend. Do it again while I can. John Denver, the crack shot 10-7. Bye, 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 bye. AT-20 on the west side of California. Doesn't leave out resources. A little bit more cricket, Joey. Evo cricket around the Kakalaki spot. Silver bullet, Tennessee. Ooh. Hey Farmer, you need to be out You know what it is.
I didn't turn this stuff off yet, but I was about to. I want to say hello to my friend Doorknob, man. Hey, I didn't turn all this junk off yet. So I'm going to say hey to my friend Doorknob around the Smoky Hills, man. Hello to you, Doorknob. Way out there around Music City. Your friend John Denver want to wave at you. Just got cleaned out my check. You know, man, we got it real good. No doubt about it. I just been sitting here listening. I'm doing some stuff running in and out of rooms. Running around a little bit down here. Oh, you get a chance. I think I gave you. I don't know, I had some computer problems. I had some problems with the computer. I got it up and running right. Give me something so I can shoot you something out. I have your email address. Have a good one, my friend. Doorknob, go. Right back, Doorknob. Yeah, I think I do still have it, man. I think I got it in my wallet. I'll find it, man. I think I might even have it in my backpack because I put it all in there when I went on out of there and started packing up and going on that end. You know, I'll find it, man, and I'll shoot you an email on that end, man. I got the video gated too, man. I've been video gating here. I got the sound just right. Had it all fixed up yesterday, and that god big road dog whooped on all them boys. So I got the sound just right. You remember them things that old 68 was giving us, or not? I think it was 69 or 68 in Virginia. He was giving those little listening things, man. They work real good, man. That's the ones I'm using now. Hey, Doorknob, take care. Your friend John Denver's gone.
I didn't want to go up with John Denver. But about John Denver. Hey, John, how about John Denver? Banjo over here. We are you. I go, man, hey, John Denver. I'm trying to get that video game one more time. Good afternoon, time to all the good time game around my town, Tennessee. John Denver, road dog, watch out.
John, road dog, you said you want to tell everybody you said hello around Tennessee. Banjo come up there and cut you and Doorknob off. What's going on, Banjo? Been a month of Sundays, got bigger. Hello to you, Banjo, while you out there around Tennessee. Doorknob and road dog. John Denver with the wave.
Hey John, can he do it again? Hey John Denver, road dog, got both toes on the floor. Want to know, can that mud-ducky Banjo do it 2 times in a row? Hey John Denver, road dog, me and this station getting on down.
Well, you ain't even gonna let him have a warning, John Bigger. You just out there on the driver, playing around on the 500Zs. You ain't even gonna let, your friend, Banjo in Tennessee even have one lick. You ain't even gonna have one lick.
I'm gonna give him no doggone room, man. I'm gonna send that motherfucking Banjo to the goodie store, man. I'm gonna make him get that doggone loaded money and go spend some of it. No doggone. Hey, John Denver, you gotta whoop them friends when you got a doggone chance, John Denver. Tell old Banjo to get my money, get him down. Weird. Shit, I ain't got my big one over there, John. Road puppy, you want me out the bird. No, tell him quit trying to get in between keys too, John. I'm gone.
I heard you was on the key the whole time you were talking. I know what you're saying, road dog. And if you let him get a lick on you, you won't hear the end of it. Hey, road dog, now if you let him get some licks on you, you won't ever hear the end of it there, break.
Come on, Buck. Hey, John. Hey, John. Tell that damn road puppy over there, hell, he's out for blood all the time. Hell, man, he knows I ain't talking on nothing that little green. I ain't on that road. I ain't gonna shit out of talking. That road puppy, he's asking for more than he got. If he ain't got enough, man, make him spend some of that doggone molded money. Hey, John Denver, we're gonna make old Banjo spend some of that molded green. No doubt about it. John Denver, tell old Banjo I said, what's up today, dog? I got down.
Hey, road dog. Old Banjo keyed up while you were talking, and he said, tell that road puppy I ain't on nothing or something like that, and then you kind of walked on top of it, and you said you're going to make him go to the goodie store and use some of that green something. I didn't really catch all that, but boy, you guys are neck and neck there. Boy, there was a good on competition going on there. One of you got to step it up.
Hey, John, I just want you to hear nothing he says out of my John, so I didn't get it over to you. Go ahead and do nothing. All right, I'm going to do it, but he does well. Banjo, get some. Hey, get some. If you ain't got some, go get some more. John Denver, I got down.
Hey, Banjo. Hey, Banjo, you know I play road dog, man. He said, tell Banjo if you want some, come get some. Tell Banjo if you want some, come get some. And you live close enough to go over there and bring him a couple beers. Maybe you just talk on his radio, because that's what I'd have done. Hey, Banjo, you should just go and bring some cold Bud Light over there, over the road dogs. You can just use his radio. You won't have to worry. I'm gone. He's so far. He's on that cold beer. Tell him John ain't really farm water over there. Something far. Hey, John, he ain't gonna make no move. He ain't going no goodie store. He ain't gonna do nothing but sit there like a mud duck does and watch his CB like a TV. Hey, John Denver, if Banjo wants to come up here, that's real fine, man. Tell that mud duck to bring an 18 pack and come on, John Denver. I'm rocking this for On that road dog, I heard a little bit of that. That guy making a Banjo said that the beer's not cold over there. Wait a minute now. Now that's just wrong. Now wait a minute now. Hey, the last time I went over there, Banjo, his beer was cold. Now are you saying his refrigerator broken? Hey, road dog, you ain't got warm beer over there, do you?
Hey, Banjo don't know nothing about that, man. Hey, John Denver, there will be no hot beer around my town. Sure will not, man. We got some on ice. We got some in the fridge. Hey, John Denver, we do not drink no hot beer around Tennessee. No, don't fucking doubt about it. Hey, John Denver, tell him, Banjo, what's up? Come get some today. Hey, what's up? Hey, John Denver, calm down.
Yeah, Raj, on that road dog, you said you don't know what he's talking about. You got beer on ice. You got beer in a kind of big refrigerator, and it's cold. You said, tell old Banjo to come over here because he ain't doing nothing over at home but watching his TV like a TV. Oh, you know, this on Watergate. He got to be able to hear it. I'm gone.
With the green light, I'm back out.
That was a rough one. You said tell him bye-bye with the green light. That's about all I heard, man. That time he got neck and neck, like neck and neck stuff, man. Boy, that was some neck and neck stuff going on that time around. John Denver's gone.
Hey, John, road dog. Hey, John, I'm working this duck like a thing. Myself, right now, but the game right way up high. I got down. Whiskey, 99, whiskey.
Okay, Raj, on that. Oh, Ridge Runner said he was going to come out here soon, man. Oh, Ridge Runner said he was going to come out here yesterday and today, but I haven't heard him, man. I got to call that contractor, tell him to come out here on the radio.
All you gotta do is bump it down. Hey, 10-4, man. Well, John Denver, take care. Hey, Farmer John, I'm gonna stand by and let the band roll on, man. While Banjo's got Mother Nature working his way, I'm gonna sit back, ease back, and enjoy this Bud Light and let him have his talk show. Yo, road dog, Tennessee Station, about to fire. DX, man. Everybody out there. That's right. Yeah. Ready for some
I know, it's like 98 out here in the shade. I'm getting out of here, too. It's hot.
Y'all, Lord mercy, still have. Hey, Farmer John, we just trying to work a little bit of Mother Nature up here, man, and do what we can do when Mother Nature will let us, man. Hey, but I am going to get on out of here and let Banjo have the green light because he does like to keep it. Stop watching CB like a TV. wave. Road dog, Tennessee, standing by. More.
Well, at least you can tell him the NASCAR race starts at 6 o'clock over here and 9 o'clock over his time. Hey, hey, Road Dog, at least the NASCAR race is on tonight there, break.
Yeah, 10-4, man, I don't care nothing about that. I don't get into watching all that mess, sure don't. Hey, John Denver, I better sit here and have a little bit of fun on my CB. John Denver, Road dog, standing by.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. If we get some conditions and it cools off, I'm gonna start my mobile up today. I'm gonna start the generator and all that stuff. I might even go put the charger on the battery and make sure it's ready when I start it tonight.
Yeah, right on, man. Well, that'd be good to hear you out front, man, with a bigger hammer, no doubt about it. What you're working with is working well, John, but you know what I mean when you're dropping that man rusty mall. It'd be good to hear you right about that. Oh, John Denver, I'll see you when you get there. You're making a trip down here to Florida? No, we...
Oh, again. All right, I'm gonna get out of here, man. Go put the battery charger on the battery, and the kids are in there watching Battleship, man, so I'll probably watch that too. Take care, take it easy. I'm gonna shut the video gate off. Boy, you had that kind of big a mile down on this gate again. I'm gone.
Southern Tennessee, Sky Jet. Bye, 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 bye. Hey, John Denver, bye. Get back when you can, John Denver. I'm crying over here now, I ain't. Tell me, nobody's got a bigger box than I am. I ain't got my biggin on. I ain't got them to grin over here, but tell him over there, John, and Road Puppy over there is one doing the crying.
Wait a minute. You said tell Road Puppy that you ain't gonna do any crying, or he ain't gonna do any crying. Now, wait a minute. You better get this right, Cotton Bigger. Now, did you say you ain't gonna do no crying, or did you say tell Road Puppy for him not to do no crying? Tell him quick. No doubt about it, John Denver. What's up? Right about there. You'll roll down the king of Tennessee, John Denver. I got down. Well, I didn't get to know what he said because you teed up and cut his radio strap off, man. Hey, Road Dog, I didn't get to what he said because he done come out there and cut him clean off. But he said tell Road Puppy something about crying or something, man. But, man, when you got up on that tee, I haven't heard it since. See, I told you don't be calling a Road Dog like that to call him Road Puppy there, Banjo.
Oh, man, it's real. He should have took his doggone Mother Nature. He should have did, man. He should have took one little bit of Mother Nature. The one luck he had in his pocket and got his doggone high knees in the breeze. John Denver, your Road Dog working his thing. I got down. On the mall. So something blows up. Hey, Farmer John, old game warden. Hey, we reading the mail.
Banjo. Oh, Road Dog said the green light's on, Cotton Bigger. Hey, Banjo, Road Dog said that the green light's on.
I appreciate it out there, man. Hey, John, that should have took his Mother Nature, man, to run with it a while ago. He should have took what Mother Nature had and one little bit of luck he had in his pocket, man, and got his knock knees in the doggone breeze. Hey, John Denver, I got the green light. Let the band roll on since you went a can, dog. Back out of here.
Well, you gave him the green light already, then he come out there and said, hey, John Denver, tell old Road Puppy something about crying. I didn't even get to what he was saying because you were going to go get some more beer out of the refrigerator. But, man, I had to just repeat what he said because he said tell Road Puppy something, and then after that, I couldn't hear it after that because he done cut his radio off.
I tell him, John, over do not mess with me. Hey, John Denver, Road Dog said, my friend, better leave me alone today. I ain't playing. I got on down.
Hey, John Denver, my friend, better leave me alone because I ain't playing. Hey, Banjo, you better leave old Road Dog alone because he said I ain't playing and I'm gone.
Well, I tell him it's time to play your ass. I tell him we'll play all out. He won't play over here now. Just a little bit of what he's got going on out there, man, because he does sound pretty good when I ain't got a doggone choke chain around his neck. Hey, John Denver, does sound okay when I ain't choking him out. John Denver, I'm moving forward.
Alright, I gotta get out of here anyway, man. I'm gonna go and do some other stuff. Hey, road dog, I'm gonna shut the gate off, and it's all 30 minutes of you again. I'm back out.
Rolling your 5, hey, get him turn that switch over, John, tell Bucky turn that switch a little high speed this time. Tell me he got enough damn power, tell him to flick a switch over there, you need another driver or something.